He's on vacation. Dragon.
Dragon fruit.
Huh?
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. Yummy. Ayan, magtutur daw kami, ha? Ikot na ka lang. Ganun lang, boy. Ikot lang tayo. Ayan na. Balik lang doon.
Oh, we're making a full circle, right?
Yes. May panda sila dito.
Panda Express.
Oo. Tapos na tayo? Oo, balik pala tayo doon.
Ano lang ako, non-stop lang.
Oo. Oh, tram stop. Okay. We're learning. Kung umuwi kayo ng Pilipinas, sa MOA, mayroon ditong maliit na parang bus. They will tour you just making a circle of MOA area. Ganon. Ayan, may sasakay. Mayroong pasahero. Ayan yung entrance ng mall ng MOA. Ganyan. So, diba? Maganda. Kaysa maglakad ka. Ayan ang jeep. Oh, Manila Jeepney. Alright, traveling in Manila. Can't drive here.
Okay, this is better.
Woo!
Yeah, you were saying something?
Look at those chokings. I love chokings.
I forgot what you were saying.
Sure. Baclaran Church. Ito yung mga tiangge. Sa small stores. You can go shopping. Yan ang mga pwesto nila. Ayan. Saan na tayo? EDSA na? Nasa EDSA na kami. Yan, mga jeep. Baclaran jeep. Ayan, they're causing traffic. Kuya, mga motorist na yan. Causing the traffic and it's slowing down the cars. Manila Life, Philippines. Look at that traffic. Oh, every corner got something going on. Oh, shit. Taiwan restaurant breakfast. Oh. Taiwan food. Meron silang rice burrito. I don't know what's inside. So I did not order because I don't know what's inside. Kaya pala matraffic doon sa bilo sa likod namin dahil mayroon nagitgitan. Aksidente sila. Ay, ayan. Traffic pa din. Kahit anong gawin natin. Ayan o. Gitgitan mga tao. Pilipinas driving tayo. Ayan. Ang nangyayari dito. Traffic talaga. Hello Manila. This is the international airport which is overlooking of our hotel. I'm having fun watching them take off and take take off and touchdown. Besides of that fun, let's go the road. This is the life here in America. And I'm sorry, correction. This is the life in the Philippines, Manila. You see that traffic? That's not fun. If you have that life here every day, I don't think so. I'm not gonna drive in the daytime. That's for sure. I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be driving at night. But the bottom side though, it's not bad. Service road. This is a freeway. They have a toll. This is good because they never had a slow traffic there. It's because you're paying. So the Manila life is worse than, I don't know, it's a nightmare.
I don't know, New York's pretty bad.
Same thing in New York and America. We have areas that we really swear we don't need to be.
It takes me
So many
minutes
planes
to go to
taking
work
off.
in the morning. It takes me 2 hours to come home in the evening.
They're all parked waiting to signal, for signal. What gate to go. That. Super init. Yung maintindihan kung anong klaseng init ng meron na Pilipinas. Very, very, very hot. I cannot, it's not just hot. You cannot explain what's this is. Humid, heat, warm. Ay nako, it's like a mixture of everything. Grabe. Alin kaya ang mabibili namin ditong couch? O, pili kayo dyan ang aming bibilihin. Sige nga. Alin ang napusuan namin dito. So, yan na. Chair lang yan. Chair lang yan. Naman, dada. Bibili tayo sa Watson, which buy something I needed. Watson. Drugstore. Bibili kami ng bed sheets, pillows. Pillow. Yeah. Naka-on sale siya. Pack or 2. Pack of 2. Tingnan siya ng maliit lang. Kultura. Parol. Wow, only in the Philippines. Dito na kami sa MOA. Kahit hindi na ako kasama sa video. Basta kayo. Oh, family, come on. Let's get inside. It's too hot. Hulaan nyo ha kung saan kami kakain. Ay, makikita nyo naman. Ay, hindi. Wag ko pakita ang pangalan. Hulaan nyo kung saan kami kakain dito. Kami sa MOA. Mamaya, Dala tayo niyan mamaya sa bahay. Oh, wow.
Let's go. Look at that. Oh my God.
Oh, wala na. Tataba na tayo nito. No, later.
Not right
Let's
now.
go. Let's eat first before that. Wala pa yung bunso ko eh. Wala pa yung bunso ko. Oh, sige. Oo, makalimutan ha. Remind me. Nasaan ang restaurant? Ah, Mickey Mouse. Okay, we're looking for... Oh, hello! Hi! Oh, hungry ang mga Pinoy dito. Hungry. We're looking for food. Restaurant. Yeah, they have taco later. Wag now. I'm not in the mood for taco. Hoy, andun, sumunod kayo doon. Walang makita. Ay, ang bangus ka rin. Yaw, yaw, where?
I'm gonna show you.
Yang bangus kaya?
Like, hindi ko mahanap yung mesa.
Oo nga eh, bangus na lang.
Yeah, look. Oh yeah, it's this one.
Let's go bangus. Yan oh. Hey, Amerikano ka talaga, Taco Bell daw. Andito kami sa Kultura. This is only national clothing in the Philippines, like Filipiniana, Barong. Nasaan yung asawa ko? Hanapin ko. Ito yung mga Philippines national clothing. Wow, nice jewelry. That is a real pearl from the ocean. Ganda, no? Where? Oh, you found here? Where's Gary? Did you find something?
$1,000 per person.
Ay, hindi natin kailangan yun. Mali tayo kumain. Dito na kami sa Maymuwa.
Ayun. Thank you, Jason.
Ayan ang global. Oh. So, alam mo, ang ganda ng mga building sa Pilipinas. Oh. wala kayo dyan, saan kami pupunta at saan kami kakain.
Are you sure?
Halo yung domestic tsaka local dyan sa Terminal 3 yan.
Ayan, dyan kami nag-stay.